Bro, you took you like 8 years to say that sentence.
No, because our Wi-Fi is out.
He stuttered because the Wi-Fi's out.
He didn't stutter.
The fact that boy giggles make me think he did.
Because I did it. I did it, bro. You know, like, why?
The Wi-Fi makes me stutter. Like, bro.
Do you need to know where Emerald is at, Blair? Do you?
No, fuck it. I was trying to deal with Banjo Bear. Leave me alone.
Your Banjo Bear can leap up off the cliff.
That's real.
These
Motherfucker
fish
stole a
are
summer shard from me.
Banjo Bear literally sold like
He stole a summer shard from me. I hope he dies in a fire.
he stole more than just a shard from me and boy.
Oh.
Yo, is DQ snoring?
It's fake.
DQ. Are you gay?
Oh, I didn't even know it yet. Oh,
DQ, Banjo Bear's calling for you.
He takes so much.
Yeah.
Wait, it might actually be real. Hold on.
Bro, shut up! I can't even hear it. Yo.
Yo.
There's no way.
Miss Pinky, wake up.